Hi Fabians, this video is about my time lapse of Geode coffee table. So it's been almost 1.5 to 2 years that I've worked on a resin concept, and now I am working on this geode metal work table which I had in my inventory. I use these acrylic stones with a lot of quartz crystals as well. Playing around the colors of purples, creams, white, golden, dark purple, plums. And I've been using all sorts of variety from Indian brands to Australian to Germany, like Colorberry, just for UK, just for resin, and what are not, art tree creations, sorry, and of course Fortune Chemi, Borelli. So I've used a lot of different pigments from different companies all over the world. And I have used these glitters which I had in my inventory, of course, from different craft art supply stores in India. The consistency of your glitter and resin mixture lies on what you're trying to make. Are you trying to make thin, thick, and super thick lines, and what kind of glitters you have used? If you have used fine medium glitters, it will have a different output. If you have used thick glitter sparkles, then it will be a different output. And of course, playing with this glitter line can be like a fairy escape to your geode work, because of course it's like all sparkle, right? So as everybody knows, the real design and the real deal lies in the details, and here we are using different markers, different colors and thickness of the tips of the markers to create these lines. Not forgetting your top coat or sealant coat, whatever you want to call it, but top coat resin is really essential for all your resin works to make it look the best. So here's the real deal, and this is the final product that I've created. This is a coffee table which you can use to create an accent in your hall, lobby, bed area, maybe even kitchen centers, if you have a bigger size in height and width and size, dimensions altogether basically. And so here I am. I've done it, I've poured it, and I've created it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my work, and stay tuned for more.